Good day to all of you. These are DIY volcano. So first of all, what is volcano?
So a volcano is a landform that is formed by some lands that nagbanggaan. And a volcano emits some lava, gas, toxic gases, and many more. Before we proceed on our explosion, please like and subscribe. We use some newspaper to make our volcano and 1.5 to hold the papers.
Sasabog yan! Sasabog yan!
Alam mo kung bakit kulay puti? Kasi she's a white people American.
Ayan yung real! Ito yung real ma! Yan ang real!
Sana mabagal. We have extra information. As I said, volcano emits some ashes, gas, and rocks that can cause widespread destruction and loss of life. Ash fall can cause respiratory health and damage like asthma. Can contaminate water, and damage
ako gumawa niya.
That's all. Thank you.